Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, we're comparing two powerful AI coding assistants, GitHub Copilot Agent and Cursor AI, to help you decide which one is the best for coding in 2025. Let's start with GitHub Copilot Agent. Copilot Agent is an advanced evolution of GitHub Copilot. It can understand your entire project, not just single files, and provide context-aware suggestions. It can also execute tasks like refactoring, writing tests, or fixing bugs through natural language prompts. Its deep integration with GitHub makes it perfect for developers who already use GitHub daily. However, it mainly works inside supported editors like Visual Studio Code and may rely heavily on an internet connection. Now let's look at Cursor AI. Cursor AI is a specialized code editor with built-in AI capabilities. It's designed to act like an intelligent teammate. It can rewrite functions, explain complex code, and even edit entire files at once. Cursor is fast, intuitive, and works seamlessly for pair programming-like experiences. Unlike Copilot, it feels more hands-on and interactive, making it great for rapid development workflows. So, which is better? If you want deep GitHub integration, project-wide context, and stable suggestions, GitHub Copilot Agent is the better choice. But if you want a dedicated AI-first editor that feels like coding with a smart teammate, Cursor AI is the stronger option. In short, Copilot Agent is best for GitHub-centered projects, while Cursor AI is best for fast, interactive coding. Choose the one that matches your development style. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.